Hey everyone, Conor Dugan here with the Multihull company. I'm in Fort Pierce on board the 2000 Manta 42 Kisa. Kisa is one of the last 5 Mantas that was built at the Endeavor Yard in Tampa before they moved production. For those who know Manta, that's significant because there was a bit of a learning curve when they moved production down to Key West, I believe. So yeah, this boat carries that same pedigree and that same reputation for build quality and build strength. This boat in particular shows really exceptionally well. I was very impressed when I came on board. Just going through compartments shows really diligent care, knowledgeable stewardship of the boat throughout. So all the systems have extensive maintenance logs. The boat just shows a lot of care and attention. So I'm gonna go through the boat, do a little video, talk about some of the highlights and take some photos. And if you have any questions after looking at that, please reach out. I'll be happy to assist. And as always, if you want to come and take a look at the boat, she's right here in front of my office in Fort Pierce. So I'd love to get you on board.
The Manta 42 is an exceptionally well-built couples cruiser. Her helm station features Raymarine electronics replaced in 2016 and 2021, and is laid out with control lines running back to an electric winch, with exceptional visibility through crystal clear isinglass and an overhead hatch. Her large bow area features the self-tacking full batten jib on camber spar. We'll also see the full batten mainsail, packed in the MacPack sail pack. Stowed away is the Code Zero with Facnor continuous furler. Sails, standing rigging, and canvas sail packs all replaced in 2016. Entering the salon, we'll see a large dining area with wraparound settee, U-shaped galley, nav desk with electrical panel, and large top-loading refrigerator and freezer. Kisa's comfortable cabins feature large berths and air conditioning replaced in 2021. Kisa features upgraded Volvo D1-30 engines and 130S sail drives, new in 2013.
All right, everyone, that's gonna do it for this walkthrough on Kisa. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, you'd like any more information, or you'd like to come take a look, please reach out. You'll find my contact details in the video, and I'd be happy to assist. Thanks for watching.